Welcome to the city Jaipur. If you are planning for a Jaipur trip and looking for some recommendations, please do watch this video till the end. As soon as you enter into the city, you will see most of the buildings color is pink. That's why Jaipur is called as in Pink City. History behind this, as people say, Raja Man Singh, who was the king of Jaipur, painted the city as pink to welcome Prince Albert. As pink is said to be the color of hospitality, the title Padharo Mare Desh means to welcome tourists. Jaipur is mostly famous for its historical forts, rich culture, and unique architecture. One of the best example of which is Amer Fort. Amer Fort is 12 kilometers away from Jaipur, and the perfect time to visit here should be early in the morning. If you want to admire the beauty of the city in night, then I would suggest you to visit Nahargarh Fort. The edge of the fort gives you a perfect city view to capture. Another thing which you can enjoy in the evening is a 50-minute light show narrating the history of Amer. This show is voiced over by Amitabh Bachchan and many more known personalities. Next popular place in the list is Chaukidani. Beside the village theme and decorative wall painting, it is food that Chaukidani is mostly famous for. Another place which you can enjoy on the way to Nahargarh Fort is Jal Mahal. Another thing for which Jaipur is mostly famous is its street bazaars. I personally recommend Bapu Bazaar and Hawa Mahal Bazaar as they have wide variety of jewelry, juttis, dupattas and saris for your mom at reasonable prices. If you would ask me, being in Jaipur, what and where to eat, the first thing I would recommend you is Gulabji Chai Wala, one of the most visited place in Jaipur, mostly known for its heart-melting tea and bun samosa. Next in the list is Rawat Kachori Wala, which is just exactly next to the Jaipur bus stand and made the most delicious onion kachoris. Next place in the list where you can enjoy your eatery is Masala Chowk, which I suggest you mostly for the lunch as you will get multiple options here to explore: veg, non-veg, sweet, dessert and whatnot. So that was it from my end for Jaipur trip. If you have any recommendations which I forgot to add in the list, please do let me know in the comment section below. Hope you enjoyed the video.